तुला कसं वाटतंय? आय एम ऑल हॅपी.
मी सगळं तुझ्यासाठी करते.
अरे बरं आहे, दिस इज ड्युअल सोल्ड. आणि तू चंद्रपूर गाठते का? अरे दिस इज वंडरफुल.
When you grow rice, the plant comes up and then you harvest it. That's what exactly your daughter is. Ever since the daughter is born, you grow the daughter and then she gives you fruits, happiness fruits, knowledge fruits, and wisdom fruits, and Lakshmi basically. That same rice you cannot grow in the same paddy. That's the whole meaning of Kanyadan. That rice actually goes into some other land and only then the rice plant comes up. See, I've got goosebumps on me. I don't know, I'll cry off.
Like we were manifesting this since long time. I'm amazed the way it has happened exactly the way we manifested. There's not a single thing that went sideways. That manifestation has really worked and it is quite visible.
Might have took a long way. We knew we'd get there someday.
They said I'm bad, they'll never make it, but just to look at us holding on, we're still together, still going strong.
खूप छान वाटतंय. म्हणजे खूप असं मन आतून भरून आलंय. त्यांच्या आयुष्यात एक नवीन अध्याय जो सुरू झालाय ना, तो खूप छान आहे. मनाला असं प्रसन्न करणारा.
मला खूप खूप आनंद झालाय, पण थोडं दुःख पण झाली. आतापर्यंत माझी मुलगी होती, आता वेलणकरांची सून आहे. तरी हे आता परंपरा आहे, चालवायलाच लागेल. खूप आनंद झाला.
Still going strong. You're still the one, you're still the one I